Good Tuesday! Grape-Cooler Desert! This intrigued me on several levels. The first one was, I've never had cream cheese with Jello. I've always had cottage cheese, maybe whipped cream, but cream cheese? What does cream cheese taste like with Jello? And grape juice and lemon Jello together? Oh, and it looked like wine! We love wine! It looked like wine! Ooh! Grape-Cooler Desert! 1952, man! What does cream cheese taste like with Jello? Let's try it. Oh, I'm a little nervous. Oh. Ooh. Here we go. That's different. That's not cottage cheese, and that is not whipped cream. Wow. I think we have to try the Jello alone. Let's see if we can get a bit of Jello by itself. Oh, wine Jello. Grape-Cooler Desert 1952. I'm finding it hard to pick out the grape juice and the lemon. It's a very interesting combination. Let's try some cream cheese with just a grape. Huh. It's so different. I don't have a frame of reference. I'm just so used to having cottage cheese or whipped cream. So let's take another bite. That's what we're here for. Ooh. I like it with the cream cheese. Very different indeed. With climate change and the seas rising, you gotta make some Jello, man. Let's do it again. Oh. Ooh. It's growing on me. Ooh. I'm gonna probably put more in. Let's get a little bit more of that. Come on. Whoa. Oh yeah. I'm putting more in there. You know, just a layer of cream cheese. Very interesting. Hey. Oh, that was a lot of cream cheese. That was a mouthful of cream cheese. Wow, this is kind of fun, man. Hey, thanks for joining me this Tuesday. You know what I'm gonna say? What am I gonna say? I love the color. It looks like wine. I love wine.